Hi friends, I am Sajid. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to do the speed test comparison between the Realme X7 Max versus the OnePlus 8T device. So both phones they do have the different kind of processors. The Realme X7 Max has got the Dimensity 1200 and the OnePlus 8T has got the Snapdragon 865 processor. Let's see friends which phone will be having better kind of speed test and better RAM management by opening this kind of 10 games, as you can see friends. So I did include the 3 big games and other rest of the small games only, as you can see. So this test will get to know which phone can actually open the games faster and which phone can actually store more games in the background memory. That is what I'm going to test in this video. So one more quick note, the Realme X7 Max is releasing the update, which is update 8.16, which has got the dynamic RAM expansion option, but right now I'm using only, unfortunately, 8.15 only. As you can see, there is no dynamic RAM expansion in the 8.15 version. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning before continuing the video. So first test is to restart the both phone. Let's see by restarting which phone can actually restart first. So in case if you have any other queries regarding the both phones, let me know in the comment section below. So I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison separately if you're having those kind of confusions which phone to buy. So even the OnePlus 8T is still a 1-year-old mobile phone, I think close to maybe 10 months of old, but still it's kind of really performing good. So when compared with the close to Snapdragon 870 performance, it's kind of really great to see the 90 FPS support and to see the really stable CPU throttling in this phone. And even so right now the phone also got faster reboot. That's fantastic. And next is the Realme X7 Max. As you can see the difference is slightly more. And next thing is to show you exactly what is a Wi-Fi connection I have connected to. That's another important thing. So Wi-Fi, let me try to turn on the Wi-Fi. So and both phones I'll try to connect only to the 5 GHz network. As you can see, 5 GHz network connected successfully. Let me go back to the main page. I'll try to clear everything. So everything from the background is completely clean. Let me try to clear everything, all the notifications as well. So everything is clean, completely background. And these are the 10 games which I'll try to open right now. Let's start with the first game, which is a PUBG. And during this time of demonstration, there is no game boost enhancement I enabled in both phones, nothing at all. So in this way, we'll be able to get to know friends which phone can actually have the really good RAM management in terms of storing the games. So many people they did ask me this kind of video to do. That is the reason I thought of uploading a video on this particular topic. So right now it's kind of loading in both phones, and the first phone, I think the Realme X7 Max did get boot up faster than the OnePlus 8T. You did see that a little bit faster, as you can see friends clearly. That's kind of good. So next, let me try to go back to the main page, and next game is a BGMI game. Let's see which phone will be able to boot up first. I think the OnePlus 8T slightly faster a little bit. So it's there in the login. I'm not sure why it's taking slightly more time. So both are in the login pages, and let me try to go back to the FIFA. So let's see friends, FIFA, which phone will be able to display. I think the first OnePlus 8T did display this kind of symbol first in the OnePlus 8T, as you can see. I'm trying to show you the backside of the phone panel as well, because these two phones are really confused because they both have the same kind of punch holes. That is the reason I thought of just showing you back panel. And now let me go back to the home screen. So now all the small games begins. We're going to start with the Angry Birds 2. Let's see which phone can open faster the Angry Birds 2. I think first the OnePlus 8T did open the Angry Birds 2 first, the logo. Not bad. And the Realme X7 Max slightly loaded, I think first. Oh no, OnePlus 8T only loaded first. And next is Subway Surf. Let's see the Subway Surf, which phone can actually open. I think faster it's getting loaded in the OnePlus. No, in the Realme X7 Max first finished. And Candy Crush. Not bad. Both are kind of close to each other only. And Getaway 2. Let's see this game. First in the Realme X7 Max. Next game is a Temple Run. Let's see the Temple Run. I think the Temple Run, maybe Realme X7 Max, I think so. No, kind of same, not bad. So both phones did open at same time, the Temple Run. So in terms of the speed test, some games OnePlus 80, some games Realme X7 Max, and most of the games they were equal. Dimensity 1200 and the Snapdragon 865. So as you can see, the Dimensity 1000 open first. So now I did open all this kind of 10 games in the background. Let me just show you, friends. So all the 10 games were in the background. You can clearly see that everything, starting from the PUBG, you can clearly see that. Let me go back to the home screen. Now I'll try to start opening one by one application. So anyway, the beach BB racing will be there. That's not bad. And let's see the Ace Force. Yep, Ace Force also there, and Temple Run. Yep, and Getaway 2. Yes, it's there in both phones. Not bad. And Candy Crush. Yes, and Subway Surf. Yes, and Angry Birds 2. Yes, in the OnePlus, as you can see, in the OnePlus it's there. So as I said, right now there is no update which I have received in the dynamic RAM expansion. So when I get the update, I'll try to use the dynamic RAM expansion, and then I'll try to do the same test, same playing these 10 games. I'll try to do the test, and then we'll be able to get to know before and after. So now it did not open. Next is the FIFA game. Perfect. So FIFA game is also completely loaded in the OnePlus 80, as you can see, friends. Fantastic. That's really good. And next, BGMI game. Not bad. Even the BGMI game is also did not get close in the OnePlus 80 device. You can see, friends. And next is a Pubg Mobile. In the PUBG is kind of open in the Realme X7 Max. That's kind of shocking, because that's really strange, because these games are not open in the background, but the PUBG is open. I'm not sure how it's possible. So let me go back to the home screen. Now let me to open the random games. OnePlus 80. I think OnePlus 80 kept 10 out of 10 games. As you can see in the random test as well, OnePlus 80 is performing really good. So once after I get the dynamic RAM expansion update in the Realme X7 Max, then I'll be able to do this kind of multiple tests. As you can see, it's getting loaded. So overall, the OnePlus 80 is the winner, friends, in terms of having the really good RAM management and opening the application games really faster. So if you have any other queries regarding this phone, so make sure to let me know in the comment section below. I can definitely do the other side-by-side comparison with other smartphones as well. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and stay tuned for more updates, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.